normal shoes or anything else to get in the way of the law. Now, at the end of her opening remarks, she said that she would apply that particular standard in her speeches.
Where she once said that a wise Latina could reach better legal conclusions than a white man. We could know what killed